Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal, doing an update on the DIY MrCool. This is our 24K unit on the inside of the house, the main house, and I like to just kind of shoot the temp gauge on it every once in a while to kind of see where we're at. So we're in the 90s. It's set to 78, and temperature inside the house, it's about 73 inside here, 72. So a little bit of a temperature difference, but we like it a little warmer in here, and we don't have the fireplace going yet. And just to give you an idea of all the snow that's out there, and then we have the temperature on the inside of the house is set at 67 is showing on the outside of the wall, but it's basically 18 degrees outside. So give you a general idea of the temperature. And that's just another temperature thing that we're using over there. And anyway, so if you need to recharge your unit and it's not running up the temp, you get this unit. It comes with a set of directions, and it comes with the fill gauge, pretty easy to follow and hook up. Also comes with the adapter, and it comes with the 410 refrigerant. This is about enough to kind of top your unit off. And what I notice is you will have a hard time when you hook up the unit initially. You're going to lose some refrigerant when you're hooking it up. That's just inevitable. And they put just enough refrigerant in there to get the unit up and running. So I have another video that shows you how to recharge your DIY MrCool unit, or basically any mini split unit that you have out there. And just watch it. I'll put the links below. And if you want this kit, I will also put something in the comments below that you can follow along and be able to order one of these online. Pretty simple, and I send them out as fast as you order. So, all right, Brian from Garage Mahal, have a great day. Be safe out there. Thanks for watching and subscribing.